guess you could hear what's happened to the bike. I've got a cameraman today. Abdul, come closer. Check it out, people. Brand new Austin Racing.
But why? Okay, but why? What? Why? Okay, don't need a.
Finally done it, people. I finally got myself a proper exhaust system for my bike. Do you know how gassed I am for this? I've just pulled it out the garage. I haven't done a cold startup. Got it on the back paddock stand, ready to do a proper cold startup for you guys. One thing I am gonna say, it's loud as fuck. It's almost a little bit too loud, if I'm honest. I live in a neighborhood full of OAPs. I'm not exactly the most liked person right about now, but
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
Abdul, come forward. I've got a cameraman today. Show them the exhaust. Check it out, people. A proper system, full titanium. The headers are the standard ones, but the pipe is decat, full titanium from here onwards. Let me show you the welding work on the pipe. Look how clear that is.
Nice.
That's what you call some clear welds, proper artwork. I had to go with Austin Racing after a lot of deliberation between Akrapovich. Someone mentioned Race Fit in one of the comments, UK-based company. Austin Racing, also a UK-based company. I have to give a shout out to Shire Oak Motorcycles, who sorted this out for me. They took the bike. There's some other things they've also done to the bike, which I'm not going to talk about just yet. But the main point of this video, and the main reason for this video, that bad boy right there. I'm going to give the phone back to Abdul and we're going to do a cold start. Now it's in neutral, as you can see, the green light's on. This is a proper cold start. Paperwork. The bike's been on the dyno. We've had the ECU flash. We've had it retuned. Fueling's been retuned. This is the evidence. Near enough. The wind is messing up my shot. You can see the evidence. 199 brake horsepower. Not that I ever need it. Does the bike pop flames? Yes. Here is the invoice from Shire Oak for all the work that was done. We're not going to talk about that. That name is an alias, it's not my real name. In the meantime and between time, I'm going to leave you with the Symphony.